Hey guys, we are trying to fix here. If you notice that none of these, I'm going to turn off the top light here and this. If you notice, this light is not working, and these two are working because I've changed the bulbs in the back. Now, you see this? Okay, now what we're going to do here is change the bulb in the back. Okay, so you want to be very gentle with this. You don't want to damage this. It has clips in the back, so and there you go. Just be very gentle. Don't want that because you don't want to damage this, or you don't want to damage this. So be very careful with this, and you only want to get the clips on the sides. So these are the two clips. There's this one right here, and there's this one right here. Okay, so you want to unhook from the top. Okay. Butter knife works. Do it from here and unhook. Now I can show you there's a bulb right here, and there's a bulb right here, if you can see. Okay, if you can see it right there, and this one right here. Okay, so I'm gonna change the bulb from this side because it's not lighting up. So hang on. Get the bulb. Okay, you wanna grab. So do it from here, okay, and then we unscrew this thing and we shake it out. Okay, just gonna unscrew this here. Okay, it's almost out. There you go. So that's the bulb that we took out. We're gonna replace with this one right here. Okay, so you just be very careful with this, and there you go. Now let's see, the moment of truth. Hook it back in, and just want to try it out for now. And there we go. Now we have all three lights there. Okay, so that's all. If you guys could subscribe and like the video, and that's all. We just pop it in. Okay, thanks. Take care, guys. I'm just gonna show this one last time. See, now I have all three lights working. Take care. Bye.